Hi guys, Rick from Newcastle Vehicle Exchange here. An absolutely beautiful Volkswagen has just come in. This is a 2012 model, a Golf R. So it's the all-wheel drive, 2-litre turbo. It's fully optioned and it's in beautiful condition. Arguably the best colour. I took this car home last night. You will not fault this car. Absolutely beautiful to drive. It's had a local owner, a mature owner. The car has not been thrashed or anything like that. This car was $66,000 new. I've got the receipt in my hand because it's got over $11,000 worth of factory options. So this guy spared no expense and turned it into the car that he wanted. So to go through it very quickly with you, we've got the Vienna leather trim. That was over $3,000 with the sports seats. It's got the electric seats. It's got the sunroof. Now it's also got the adaptive chassis control, so you can have sport mode or comfort mode. You can change the way that the vehicle sits on the road. See the electric seats, look at these full wraparound Vienna leather seats, absolutely beautiful. Full power options there. Now it's got the navigation plus Dyn audio option. So there's another $4,000 there. So I gather that means that the sound system is enhanced rather than just the navigation. It's got what's called the Dyn audio. So more speakers, beautiful screen there. The reverse camera was an option as well. And you can see it's got the opticals, so you can see the front and rear here and here to see if something's getting close. It's absolutely beautiful. Now the adaptive chassis control I'm talking about down here, comfort and sport mode, plus we've got the 6-speed automatic transmission, so you can put it into drive or sport. Now drive is at its most economical and still very powerful, but if you put it in sport, it feels more like it's a 4 or 5-speed automatic because it has much better range in each gear. Longer revs, much more acceleration. Then you can put in plus or minus, and on the screen right here in the top corner you can see which gear you're in. Sorry, a little bit of reflection there. So climate control, dual zone air conditioning, and again part of this upgraded package, you've got the leather seats, but you've also got heated seats. Different temperatures on each side of the car if you wish. It's an absolutely beautiful car to drive. Have a look at the steering wheel. I'll just jump out for that actually. Really nice steering wheel, and behind the steering wheel here you've got the paddles, so plus and minus if you'd like to drive in a sporty mode. You don't have to actually put it in the sport mode to do that. You can do that at any time. So the Golf R all-wheel drive has got 188 kilowatts of power. So being the all-wheel drive, you just don't lose traction like the GTIs. I do like the GTIs, but they are a front-wheel drive. The Golf R gives you that much better acceleration off the mark. You're not losing traction or getting any of that torque steer in the steering wheel. It's a lovely, lovely car. $66,000 new and in pristine condition. So if you're looking for a little race car or something a little sporty and very optioned, this could be the one for you. Over $11,000 in receipts here from factory options. So Newcastle Vehicle Exchange, 264 Turton Road, New Lambton, in beautiful Newcastle, and right next door to McDonald Jones Stadium. You can give us a call on 0415 100 800 or any of the numbers through the website. And the last thing, you can download a car history report. We've actually got them in the windows of every car that we sell. And that's to take away any fear you have that the speedo might have been tampered with or the car's been written off or anything like that. You can download that for free on our website. It's a lovely, lovely car. You will not fault it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.